Well, welcome back to Crazy Country Couponer, guys, and I'm Jenny, the Crazy Country Couponer, and we're going to be doing a field trip and looking at some of the clearance, and you want to know. So come on, join me. And, well, if you're not one of our crazy friends yet, well, you come on and join me too. Literally, look below and hit the subscription button and the notification bell. That way you don't miss any deals, glitches, free stuff, or awesome information that we have here almost daily. Yeah, daily deals, guys. And, well, I try to find you the best deals possible at our local Dollar General. So, go ahead, subscribe, make sure your notifications are on, and that way you don't miss anything. And everybody, please periodically check your notifications so you don't miss anything. And that's in your YouTube app settings. Look, guys, I'm at a different store, and I'm checking out some of the items that are on clearance that are going to be an additional 50% off. We've got this, as seen on TV, smartphone holder. Goes in your car. We got microban. We've got coupons for microban. We got Lysol. It's going to be like $2 and change for this Lysol. Lemon oil head and shoulders. We've got a coupon for this as well. All these travel sizes will be 50% off. We've got Jergen, Curel, Vaseline, Gold Bond. We have coupons for all of that. Dove Love. We've got this toothpaste right here will be absolutely free. We've got a coupon for Tom's. Oh, here is more Head and Shoulders. We've got some car items. We've got some different oil refills. We've got the Believe Beauty wipes. We've got these little moon lights. Oh, look at that. That's really cute, guys. That really is. You want to make a quick and easy light? Throw this in a mason jar. Throw it out on your deck. If you find these will probably be $2.50. Now, look in here with the makeup. We've got Maybelline coupons. We've got CoverGirl coupons. 3 and 4 different CoverGirl coupons. This Rapid White by Natural White. We've got Always. We've got some Crest 3D. We have coupons for that. We have Stay Free. We've got some more Arm & Hammer, 2 different sizes. The great big container of Gain again. We got some more As Seen on TV items. We got Gorilla Tape. A laptop stand. We got some big products. Big Sensitive 2. Rexall thermometers. We've even got some spray paint. We've got some Fancy Beast cat food, and we got maybe a couple cans of Febreze that might just been set there just because. But as you can see, that's a variety of items right here on the clearance aisle, and all this will be an additional 50% off. These items right here will be 50 cents. Let's see if we get a skew on these. Right here. That's the peanut butter regular. And that's your skew. Now, let's talk about some deals that started today. Some of your better deals that started today. One of them is Scott toilet paper. Oh, I don't see it here. I do not see the Scott 6-pack of toilet paper. Did they pull it out? Well, we have a $1 coupon for Scott toilet paper, and it is attaching to the $3.65 or $3.75, depending on where you're at, toilet paper. Okay, guys, look. This is the reason why those trash bags are on the clearance. We have new packaging. So your old packaging, if you see any of that Clorox old packaging, you might want to scan it. Look what we have here. Buy one, get one free accessories till May 13th. Oh, this is new. This is a portable yoga mat. A leisure mat. Well, I'm assuming that's what that is. And like some of these items down here, like we know these hoses are on clearance at other stores, as well as these glasses. So if you find stuff like this, you want to scan it and see what it's going for. These leisure mat things are new. Basically, they are just mats that you can lay on the ground that have a little incline that you can lean up against for $25. So, and of course, we got some nice little cloth bags here. Buy one, get one 50% off, and these are $10. Now, this is an older operating system store that I'm in. And so I'm over here to see if they have any bright and clean. They have healthy and clean. They do have a bright and clean. They are in the... This one is in the wrong place. I need 2. So always check. Look, here is more clearance on the Crest sitting over here on the shelf. And the bright and clean actually has the stain eraser on it. Oh yes, we have a bright and clean at the very back. So I have 2 bright and cleans, which means I've got $1 in overage that I can spend and use on something else. Saving on the Eucerin and Nivea lotion. So if we've got coupons for those 2 lotions, we have an instant savings good until May 13th, and we do have those lotions on clearance. And during this clearance, if you are looking at anything that is in the older, because look at the dial, okay? This is new packaging. This is older packaging. This is the stuff that's going to be probably on clearance, your older packaging. So I would definitely be scanning older packaged product. Again, see, look at the new Tide packaging. All this stuff is getting new packaging. What are some of the things that we're here to talk about? Well, one of the things is the Purex, because we have Purex and Snuggle digital coupon. And I think it's $1.75. I have to check that out. But it's attaching to your Purex, of course. And let's look at this See, look, guys. This is the smaller bottle, 37 loads for $3.75. So find that 50 load bottle because it's $3.75 still, and you've got a new digital coupon. So more bang for your buck. Okay, like I said, I'm looking for something for free. And I've got $1 in overage or something pretty close to free. And I've got a pretty good Airwick coupon. Or not, excuse me, not Airwick, but Febreze coupon. We've got a couple of really good Febreze coupons. So if you wanted to do a Febreze, you would get that absolutely free. But you know, I've got this paper towel fetish thing going on. And so we're going to see what kind of paper towel deals that I can find. Oh, we got a 50-cent off the Bounty Essentials. And it's working on the $4.60 Bounties. Which, no big deal. It makes that $4.10. Whoop-de-doo. The Scott $3.95. Let's see, how much do we have here? 124 two-ply sheets. 116 one-ply. We have a 50-cent off of the 6-roll for $4.50, and the $1 extra would make these $3.50. Now that is a decent deal for me. And we also have a Sparkle coupon. It is attaching to the $7 Sparkle, I do believe. And you know, out of all of these cute paper towels, I think Bounty's Essential is my favorite, and then Sparkle. Scott is my least. Okay, guys, this is what I'm ending up with. I'm picking up my 2 toothbrushes and my paper towels, and my paper towels should be $3.50 out of pocket. I don't think that's too bad. I really think it's a winner chicken dinner. Because if you break it down by individual paper towel rolls, and, well, we actually could do that because we know we can buy them individually for $1 a roll. So that's not bad at all. We'll be paying $3.50 for 6, 7, 8 products. Yep. Winner. Alright, out in the car, guys, and this is what my receipt ended up looking like. As you can tell, it is an older operating system store still. I got my 2 bright and clean toothbrushes, and I got my paper towels with my 50-cent off, so I paid $3.50 out of pocket. And that was for 3 items. No matter how you look at it, whether you do the individual paper towels or you just do 2 toothbrushes and the paper towels, that was for 3 items. So that's like $1 and less than $1.25 an item. So that is a definite winner chicken dinner. And I'll see you again, because I'm pretty sure we got more deals and steals and always awesome information.